Empire is my favorite grass because it always works. You know, I've tried a lot of other grasses and they don't, just Empire, it's tried and true. I rarely get a call back on Empire, and if it is, it's maybe a fungus occasionally. But if you have a fungus, it recovers almost immediately. Even though it's November, it's a good time to put it down. We'll put Empire down all year round. Benefit is, of course, it's not 100 degrees out, sun baking it all day. You don't have to pour as much water into it. You know, it's a little slower to take root, but I've done it for years, and I've never ever had a lawn not work. Even in the shade, you know, there are grasses that are supposed to be shade tolerant. They work a little bit, but this one lasts pretty well in the shade. Sales pitch, it's just the best grass out there. I've done it ever since it's been around. Like I said, I've tried other grasses. There's some grasses I will not touch.